Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for 2 scents that I picked up from AliExpress. Don't knock AliExpress, they're not the way they used to be. They have really come a long way and I trust them more than I do Shein these days. So, yeah. And if you look at something, you find it on Amazon, check AliExpress first and see if they don't have it cheaper. But the only thing about AliExpress, I suggest making sure they're brand certified. I'll show you when I bring it up on my phone, because if it doesn't say brand certified, it doesn't have to be legit. And you usually pay $1 or $2 more for that because they're paying more, if you know what I mean. So let's open these up. I know what they are. I'm excited about them. I've never smelled them. I've seen a lot of influencers haul these and pay a lot more money than I did. So this is the Milky Way by Mason Esrar. I don't know how to, yeah, just take my word for it. And I paid $17 for it. And let's see what it says about it. Says it is a celestial journey of warmth and creaminess. Embark on a warm, comforting, gourmand voyage with the all-new Milky Way. Launched in 2025, this Oriental vanilla fragrance is built around the delicious nuances of milk, caramel, and vanilla. It opens with a soft, enveloping accord of sweet milk, plum, and caramel. The heart unfolds into a delicate blend of cashmere woods, orris, and jasmine and ylang-ylang, whatever that is. It settles into a smooth, warm, and long-lasting base of sandalwood and vanilla and tonka bean, an Oriental-style gourmand that emphasizes comfort, warmth, and a persistent, creamy character from start to finish. This is probably going to be more of a fall scent. Maybe not. What I'm really looking for is like the vanilla scents that are lighter that you can wear in the hot month. Vanilla and cotton candy and marshmallow are my signature scents. Yeah. If I don't smell like a cake, there's something going on. So here's the box. And I guess it opens up like that. I hope this is legit. There's your bottle. She's pretty. I do like the bottle a lot. Even like a print on the atomizer. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells really good. Right from the start. Wow, it's dripping. It's okay. I'll pour it on me. Yeah, I heard something about if you turn some of these the wrong way, like where I'm not mad about it spilling out. So I gotta spray out. So what you're supposed to do with the Middle Eastern fragrances is as soon as you get it, spray it out about 10, 12 times. And then leave it in like a cool, dark place or cool, dry, dark place in your home and let it kind of ferment. I don't know what you want to call it. Macerate. I don't know. But yeah, I like it. That's a good one. That one, I don't know. That might be a little too strong for summer, but it does have that floral note in it. So maybe spring, but I don't think I could carry that out in like the heat of summer, not in California where it's like 120 degrees. This is the Vanilla Voyage by Mason Esrar. You guys, I'm terrible at pronunciation. When there's a collection like this that's out, that I'm paying under 20 bucks for, you know what I mean? It's definitely worth the money. But I have to get rid of I can't keep the boxes. I don't have room for them. Okay, that still smells absolutely amazing. I think for like springtime, early springtime and nighttime, if you're like on the beach at night where you get that sea breeze where it's a little bit chilly, it'd be a good one to wear. You can't beat what I paid for it. And I'll tell you how much they are on Amazon as well. So hold on. The Milky Way one on Amazon is currently, it's a lot. I know that. $31.99 on Amazon. Okay. What did I pay for it? 17 something? 17.24 on AliExpress. I'm telling you guys, save your coin. And the Vanilla Voyage. I paid $16.32 for the Vanilla Voyage. Let me tell you the notes on this one. It says, decadent gourmand opening. Experience the irresistible allure of Vanilla Voyage perfume with notes of caramel, licorice, and buttery accords for a sweet, indulgent introduction that feels like luxury. Sophisticated heart notes. A captivating heart of jasmine merges with the richness of tonka bean and honey, giving Vanilla Voyage perfume from Aroma Concepts an elegant, opulent character. Signature vanilla finish. The fragrance settles into a velvety base of vanilla, musk, and glowing amber, creating a long-lasting perfume trail that is sensual, warm, and unforgettable. Love that. I have a feeling with the caramel and all that, it's going to be fall. Another fall one. But, you know, Bare Suede Vanilla from Victoria's Secrets has been my signature scent for a little while now since it came out in the fall. Bare Suede Vanilla is, I wouldn't say it is heavy, but in a very seductive way. And I'm not mad about it. Here's the Vanilla Voyage. Very similar to the other one. So let's see. I really like these bottles though. Stunning. Yes, that is so good. You can tell they're like a sister fragrance. I gotta see how it dries down to see if you can wear it in this summer or not. But that floral, that jasmine comes through, and I really like jasmine. But it might be too much for like 100-degree weather. You know what I mean? You want something, well, not, I could easily wear cake, like that rose. This isn't about that. Never mind. I gotta stick to the topic. Okay, I'm gonna spray some. What am I gonna spread? I have to spread on my skin. Okay, well, let her sit there. It smells like straight up caramel at first. So let me smell this one again. Yeah. So this one is lighter. Maybe that's why it's white in color. I don't know. This one you could probably use in the springtime. This one I would save for like fall, like early fall. But damn, that smells so good. Yeah. Okay. Boxes are going in the trash. I don't have room to store them like that. But you guys, let's see how much that one costs on Amazon. Milky Way. This one is the Vanilla Voyage. $42 for this one on Amazon. Okay? $42. And I paid under 17. Actually, $17.68. Well, I got it for $16.32, I guess, with tax. You do as you wish. I'm saving my coin. I'm trying to do that for you guys. So just, if they happen to have it, then grab it. What you're looking for. Try it. It's under 20 bucks. If it's not legit, send it back. But thank you guys for being here. I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. You know, my whole thought on this is save your coin as much as possible. If you want something and you see it on Amazon or TikTok shop, look for it on AliExpress and Temu. Temu is usually a little more expensive, but you guys, these are awesome. Awesome. Springish. This is the lighter form of this. That's what I'm getting. The more floral version of this one. But they smell delicious. Oh my God. You guys, I don't know. But they're both worth it to me. If you're a vanilla lover, grab them. They're both very different too. But you can tell they're like a sister fragrance. But thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead now and subscribe. Thumbs up this video and also hype it. You get 3 a week and it's free to do, but helps the algorithm and helps my videos get out to more people. I'm a new monetized channel, so I need all the help I can get right now. And I appreciate you guys very, very much. But please also share my videos if you can, and definitely hit that bell notification and check out my daily lives for the fastest way to see what I've been buying and what sales I've been hitting. Check the daily lives. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Love you all. Bye.